Run it on. I wake up. Yeah.
I need a shirt. Let me get 2 20s, one of that and that, and extra large.
Extra large in both?
Yep, and then one in the red. Get some shirts. Support the man in the box. Yeah, don't give me a large. It won't fit anymore. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Let's check these out. Boom. It's a cool graphic. Wonder who drew that. Shout out to whoever drew that, but that's nice. Small bore life. And then we got the big time small bore man in the box, Tennessee. Well, that's where they're from, American original, but that's all right. We'll support that. All right, let's drop these off at the tent and then go ride. All right, let's go get in adventures. Oh, we got the drag strip. That's cool. If I still had the 170, this would be fun. Let's do it for a reference. Let's see what Pat's getting. What are you getting?
Fastest on the track.
Fastest on the track? Yeah, I'll take a number.
What are you?
A 125.
Stock?
Yeah. Are you kidding me? It's actually slower than stock. It's stunt. Yeah, it's a Stunt Grom. It's the slowest one out here. Watch.
I'll ask him.
Oh, you hear that? Listen. That's a it's a 125 with bigger sprockets. And I'm fat too, so it's okay. Set a garage taking pictures. Where the time show up?
He'll tell you.
Oh, okay. I wonder who really this whole thing.
Right.
92. All right, we're doing the drag race, Yoshimura drag race on Stunt Grom. Anytime?
Anytime.
Okay. Woo! I'll probably be Pat on that one. Did I look fast? He didn't believe this was stock. I'm like, it's the slowest Grom out here. It's got
the loudest right here.
Yeah, right. It's stock.
No push start.
Yeah, he's faster than me. All right, what did he do and what did I do?
He's a 390. What number are you?
92. 92.
I think you were the 5.
I'm okay with a 5.
539.
539. All right, that's time to beat. All right, I'm gonna beat it this time.
You're 92?
92. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, when you're ready.
I don't think I beat it that time. We got more 125s in the mix. I want to see this thing rip. Watch this kid. There he goes. I think I got him. I want to find out what my best time was. He was a 387, that kid. Ooh, you know what? Wind resistance. Better tuck this in. What was my best time for 92? It's gonna be my last run. I gotta beat it.
539.
539. All right. All right, here we go. Last run. I feel like I gotta, yeah, I think I did good. That might be in the 4s. So this is the drag strip, sponsored by Yoshimura. I think it's like 1/32. I don't remember what it is. 1/8. No, it's not 1/8. It's just 1 something of a mile. I think it's a quarter mile. I'm running in 5s. Yeah, that sounds about right. A quarter mile. So they got the quarter mile track here, sponsored by Yoshimura at the Barber Smart Bore. So if you want to compete with me next year, come on out. That's so cool. That's gonna be Baby Gromer ripping in as a little young man.
547.
547. I don't remember what the last one was, but I'll take it. 547, huh? I already did. All right, back to the stunt lot where I can shine. Lewis can do stoppies down the hill. Oh shit, he's hauling ass. Lewis, No broken ribs. Come on, pump them up, Rodney. Need the microphone? Photogromer has some of that freestyle drift that you never...
Style here from the California boy.
I just did the drag race. That was okay. But it's like one at a time. They got like a timer.
No, so Yosh said they were supposed to be side by side.
Yeah, they got sketched out.
And Barber was like, no.
Yeah.
Yosh has the insurance for side by side drag racing. And they're like, what drag racing is single? Like now
Yeah.
you're supposed to be drag racing someone. Now you're like racing for time.
Yeah, it's time trials.
Obviously, it was always times, but in drag racing, it's always time.
Yeah, but you're competing against someone and it fucks with your brain. Good launch, bad launch.
Competing against a 7-year-old.
Yeah.
I had her on a shit bike yesterday.
Yeah.
In Ovale.
Yeah.
I think these dudes over here want to meet you.
Oh. Yeah, dude. You can ride on the back if you want. You want helmet on, helmet off? I'm bald. You guys just ride out today?
Yeah, we're.
I think I seen you. I was waving at you. Yeah, I saw the shirts. Here, come here. Come here. Now get over here. Where are you from?
Fan, Dalton, Georgia.
Oh, nice. I don't know where that is. You want to see some wheelies? I'm going to try to do some wheelies. I'm really sore, though. Stunt Grom.
Take when lost, no one's around for you. I won't stop.
No, no, you stay there. Don't fucking... No. This is my show, all right? Get on the mic. Rodney's trying to one-up me. Look at this thing. This thing is a wheels and a motor, and that's it. The seat is made out of metal. Scooter Swap Shop. Say that 3 times fast. Oh shit, Jesse's doing stoppies. Damn. I think my helmet smells. Does your helmet smell?
Probably.
I think my helmet smells. I need to Febreze my helmet. Oh hey, it's raining. You want to put this away? It just started downpouring. These guys scared of the rain. Come on, this is time to shine. All right, this is my time, baby. Yeah, come on, now this is my stunt show. Let's see how these dual sports grip. Whole visor's fucking up. Shit's all fucked up. Here. Jesse's no bitch. That's what I was trying to do. Alright, fuck this. Ah! Look at the wave. Stop you in the rain. Dude, this is not a good spot.
It's cold.
Yeah. Ah, this is miserable. Alright, we'll be back.